Hello, my name is Hollie Jordan, and I'm going to tell you a story to make you feel very relaxed and help with any worries if you have them. So now, if you like, you can lie down or sit somewhere and make yourself very comfortable. Let your head rest back, nice and relaxed, and let go. You don't have to listen to the words that I say. Just notice the sound of my voice. Now, as you relax very comfortably there, I wonder how quickly and well you can use your imagination to imagine that you are so good at relaxing, and you find it very easy to fall into a wonderfully relaxing, peaceful sleep. And now, in a few moments, I'm going to help you to feel and to be more calm, more and more relaxed. In a few moments, I'm going to say the word relax. And every time I do, every time I say the word relax, I'd like you to see how floppy you can make yourself and how calm and relaxed you can feel. Relax. And see if you can make your feet go very floppy. Relax. Now see if you can make your legs go really, really floppy. Relax. Now see if you can make your tummy go very, very floppy. Feeling so relaxed and calm. Relax. See if you can make your shoulders go all floppy. And you can relax more with every breath that you take. Relax. Can you make your arms go floppier and floppier? What can we make floppy next, I wonder? And relax. Make your hands and fingers go floppy. Relax. Can you make your neck floppy? And finally, relax. Relax your head and make it go floppy. And now you feel so relaxed, calm and peaceful, as though you are relaxing on a cloud. When you go to bed and your head touches the pillow, your body will feel like this, floppy and relaxed. Whenever your head touches your pillow, your mind becomes so calm, your eyes closed, and then you drift into a wonderful, pleasant, relaxing sleep. I would like you now to use your fantastic imagination to pretend that you are standing on a fluffy, white cloud at the top of a staircase with stairs made of clouds. There are 10 cloud steps leading down to the biggest, most comfortable bed that you've ever seen. What colour are the bed sheets? Are they your favourite colour? Do they have your favourite characters on them? Anna and Elsa? Buzz and Woody? Do you have a favourite teddy or doll that you like to sleep with? I wonder if they are on the bed too, waiting for you. You know that if you climb onto that bed, every part of you will feel and be completely relaxed and floppy. Climbing into that bed will help you to drift into the most wonderful, relaxing, peaceful sleep ever. In a few moments, I'm going to count down from 10 to 1. And with every number that I count, I want you to take a step down the cloud staircase. Every step helping you to feel and be even more relaxed. Every step helping you to feel and to be calmer and calmer. Every step down the staircase making you feel sleepier and sleepier, floppier and floppier. But before we walk down those stairs, I'd like you to take any nighttime worries that you may have and let those thoughts flow out of your mind and onto a passing cloud. Watch as they settle onto the cloud and then watch them float away, far away from you now. I'll give you a little moment to do this. So now you are ready. 10. Imagine taking that first step down, feeling floppier. 9. Feeling calmer. 8. Feeling more relaxed. Stepping down to 7. Feeling sleepier, closer to resting in a nice, relaxing, comfortable bed. 7. Stepping down to 6. Feeling floppier. 5. Feeling sleepier. 4. Floppier and floppier. Step 3. So sleepy now, relaxed and calm. 2. Just one more step to go. 1. Imagine now climbing onto that bed, feeling so floppy and wonderful, so sleepy and relaxed. Your mind absolutely calm, closing your eyes, drifting into the most wonderful, pleasant, relaxing sleep. And now I'd like you to know that you are in charge of your whole body. Every single muscle, your arms, legs, fingers and toes, and most importantly, your throat. And because you are in charge, I would like you to relax every single part of your body, starting from your toes and going all the way up to the top of your head. Try it out now and notice the relaxing and happy feelings spreading all over your body. Enjoy these feelings as you continue listening to the sound of my voice that helps you feel very sleepy and happy, but just awake enough to do something very, very clever. Did you know that somewhere deep inside of you is a very special room that you can go into to find the switch that turns off those feelings in your throat that make you want to clear your throat? I'm not sure if you've done this before or whether it's your first time to find out how so very easy it is to turn off those uncomfortable feelings in your throat so that you stop needing to clear your throat. That's right, you don't need to clear your throat. It's so easy to turn it off and instead turn on the lovely feeling of relaxation in your throat, which which makes you relax and makes your throat relax. So switch it off now. It's so good to know that you now have comfortable feelings in your throat and that you can relax. And you no longer have an urge to clear your throat. So from now on, if you notice an uncomfortable feeling in your throat, you will say the word in your head to yourself, calm or relax. And when you say the word calm or relax, a wonderful feeling of calm and relaxation will spread all over your face, throat and neck. Every single muscle in your mouth and throat will relax, and that old annoying urge to clear your throat will just melt away. You relax straight away. Right now, saying the words calm or relax will relax your throat straight away, and there will be no urge to clear your throat. And as the days, weeks and months go by, that old, annoying urge to clear your throat will automatically disappear. That's right, will automatically disappear. And you will forget that you ever had an urge to clear your throat. The urge to clear your throat disappears completely. Sometimes we need to be reminded that our lives can be fun. But this is up to you, because only you can decide what thoughts you let into your mind. If we think unhappy and bad thoughts, we will feel unhappy and bad. But if we think happy and good thoughts, we will feel happy and feel good. If we pretend that happy thoughts are seeds and our brains are soil, if we plant happy seeds in our brains and look after them, they will grow into happy feelings. It is so much more helpful to focus on how we want things to be, rather than how we don't want things to be. After listening today, you will feel calmer and happier as you let all your worries go. And now I'd like to tell you another story. There once was a tribe in a remote part of the world. The members of this tribe had a secret. They had a magical painting that had been given to them long, long ago. And this visitor had said, "Whilst this painting is kept with the tribe, your village will be happy, everything will go okay, everything will go right." And so the members of the tribe felt safe, having this picture that a stranger had given to them back in the past. But today another visitor came to stay with the tribe. They were made to feel welcome, were given food, water and bed for the night, and they let the visitor sleep in the room where the painting was kept. But in the morning, when one of the members of the tribe went to see if the visitor would like any breakfast, they found that the stranger had gone, and the picture had also gone. The tribe were very devastated and felt as though all hope had gone. As they looked out of their windows, they noticed that the blue sky had turned to grey. The birds didn't sing anymore, and the flowers were not blooming. tribe felt really sad. But then one day, one of the young children of the tribe went into the room where the picture had been, and they started to paint their own painting. A painting of trees and flowers, a beautiful sky. Then all of a sudden, another member of the tribe looked out of the window, pointed and said, Look at that. Everything is changing. The birds had started to sing again. The sun was shining again, and the flowers were back in bloom. Each and every one of us has the necessary resources inside of us. From this moment forward, you do everything better than you've ever done before. You will be relaxed, calm and confident. With each passing day, your confidence grows and becomes stronger. You will feel braver and braver, and your feelings of self-worth become more and more powerful. You are brave, you are interesting, you are intelligent, you are unique, you are loved, and you are special. Now, if you are listening to this story at night and would like to go to sleep afterwards, then please ignore the next part of this recording and allow yourself to go off into a lovely, nice, deep and restful sleep. If you are listening to this recording in the day and want to wake up afterwards, then now is the time for you to wake up.